What if one smart land purchase today could completely change your financial future? Stay with me, because the answer might surprise you. Everything starts with choosing the right location. Sometimes the best opportunities are the ones most people overlook. Before buying, compare recent sales, neighborhood growth, and future development plans instead of looking only at today's price. As communities grow with new roads, schools, and businesses, property values can change over time. Not every property performs the same. Location and local development often make the biggest difference. Smart investors follow trends, compare data, and make decisions based on research instead of emotion. Growing neighborhoods often attract more buyers, which can increase demand and influence property values over time. Always calculate your budget carefully before buying. A great opportunity should fit your finances, not stretch them. Research, patience, and smart planning are often more valuable than chasing quick profits or following the crowd. Every successful investment starts with one well-informed decision. Learn first, plan carefully, and invest with confidence.